How to download Skyblock in Minecraft. So first, just simply click on the link that I will put in the description below, and it should bring you right here to this website. And once you're here, just simply need to pick the game version that you're currently on. So I'm currently on 1.21. So I'm just gonna simply click on the download button here on the right side and wait for it to load. After that, just simply open up your Minecraft, then go to single player right here, create new world. Once you're here on your new world, just click on more, click on data packs, then click on open pack folder. What you want to do now is just simply move the Skyblock file that we downloaded earlier to this folder. And once it's done, just simply go back to Minecraft. Then just simply click on the arrow right here to move it here on the selected side. Click on done. Once that's done, you just simply need to click on create new world right here. And just simply click on yes and wait for it to load. And now as you can see, it worked. And now you could just simply select your seed on the main island, outer islands, and world type. So let's say I'm just gonna go with classic, then new. After that, click on start, and you just simply need to click on it again to confirm. And just simply wait. And as you can see, it is now done. And it's just loading now, but as you can see, here are the Skyblocks right there. And that's how you basically download Skyblock in Minecraft.